Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can hollow out a solid in FreeCAD. So here I have launched my FreeCAD and I will create a new file, and I insert my body on my origin planes, and I select this top plane and create a sketch. And now we will create a very simple profile. Select the rectangle, and I will create a rectangle and give it a dimension of 100 mm, and this one also 100. And next I will create a line by joining these two horizontal and vertical line. Use the trim tool and I will trim it. Now I will give this horizontal dimension of 50 mm. Select this and make it equal. Now I will close it, select the sketch and click on the pad, and here I given the 100 mm length. Now say OK. So we have very simple part, and we will learn how we can hollow it. So here on a part design workbench you will see a option called the thickness. So click on these options. So you will see the properties of a thickness parameter, like the thickness, mode and join type. Let's first I give my thickness to the 2 mm, and from here click on the select this face. So you can see that face is selected. Now I will say OK. Now you can see that our part is hollowed, and here fillet has been also added. So we will learn how we can customize this hollow. What if we do not want this fillet? So for this we will go to the edit thickness, and here on a mode type we will keep the skin, and here on the join type we will select the intersection. So when we select the intersections, then this face and this face having the intersecting line. But if we select the arc, then it will automatically add the fillet to the all the corners. So this is how we can change our join type and say OK. Now let's select the multiple faces to hollow out. For example, I do not want this top face, so I will go to the edit thickness, and here on the select option I will select it and I will select the top face and say OK. So you can see that top face also got hollow out. Go to the edit thickness, change the type to the intersections. So you can see that sharp edges has been created between the joining faces. And let's add one more face to our hollow out sections. Say click OK, edit thickness and click on the select. Let's select this face and say OK. So this is how we can hollow out a solid in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD, and here I also covers mechanical engineering topics. You can also download tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file tab. If you like my method of teaching and if you want to support my work, then you can buy me a cup of coffee on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description.